Flybabies, my lions, how are you today? It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today is Wednesday. And so today we have 3 things to do in order to have peace in our life, control in our home, and to learn how to finally love ourselves. The 3 things are our 3-layer cake, our routines, our basic weekly plan, our zones. So let's start with routines. This morning you're going to get up and do your morning routine. When you're done with your morning routine, you're going to put children, if you have them, or those you care for, through their morning routine. If there's something else that must be done in the morning, some little chore, that's also going to happen in the morning. Once that's done, you're off for the day. Now, if you're home, I don't mean you're off for the day. I mean you're off. You're up and at 'em. You're getting things done. So if you work, you're going to leave and go to work knowing things are done at home. If you're an at-home flybaby, you're going to stay at home. If you're a work-at-home flybaby or lion, you're going to stay at home. But if you're working, I want you to focus on your work. That's what's going to happen next. If you are a homeschooling mom, you're an at-home flybaby. Okay, so the first things we're going to get done is all of our home care, and then we're going to do our schoolwork. So the first thing after morning routine, and everybody's had their breakfast, all the beds are made, the sinks are clean, the toilets are swished, everything's looking good, everyone's dressed. The next thing we're going to do is put the laundry in and go through an inch of paper if you still have any. Keep an ear out for that laundry. It's going to keep working for you while you're doing your other things. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to jump right into the basic weekly plan. On Wednesday, this is desk and planning day, or planning and desk day. So you're going to go to your refrigerator, open it up, and get everything out of the fridge that doesn't belong there. If you're going to work, you're going to think about it at work, maybe snap a couple of pictures. When you come home, you can dump out those few little things. And you're also going to take inventory of what you've got in there and what you can use for meals in there, in the freezer, and in the pantry. Also clean out things from the pantry from time to time. It's kind of a way to clutter check those areas. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to balance your budget. You're going to check your checkbook and make sure it's balanced, or your checking account online. You're going to make sure all your bills are being paid, or you're going to pay them. And then you're going to make your grocery list based on a menu that you've created, based on what's in your cabinets and in your refrigerator and in your freezer. And then the menu for the things that you don't have is also going to go down on your menu. And then you're going to buy groceries based on what you don't have. And you're going to say to yourself, you know what? I have this much money, I'm going to spend less than that, and focus on it and really commit to it. Don't be lackadaisical about it because you'll spend more. You just will. The stores are designed that way. You be in control so that when you walk out of the store, you can say, yes, I did it. I just did a Weight Watcher grocery haul, and you can see what I did as far as that goes. It's on my Weight Watcher channel. It's linked below. All right, so that's what I want you to do today on your basic weekly plan. And then the last thing is your zone. We're in zone 4, the master bedroom, master closet, master bathroom. Did you pick out 4 things to do in there this week? 4 things to do between those 3 rooms? So I'll give you what my daughter's doing because she shared with me. She is cleaning out under her bed. She is polishing her outsides of her furniture in her bedroom. She is cleaning out the cabinet in the bathroom. And she is organizing her shoes in her closet. 4 things, 4 days, 10 minutes or less for each thing, okay? So if you didn't do that already, that's okay. Start where you are. Always just step in where you are. Don't worry about yesterday. Yesterday's gone. We're not going to try to make up for lost time. That is just stress trying to happen to us. Let that go. We're just going to handle it. We're going to breathe through it. We're going to enjoy it. And when we're done, the last things we have to do is prepare our dinner, do our after dinner routine, do our before bed routine. We're going to do 3 clutter checks, 1 after breakfast, missed my finger, 1 after breakfast, 1 when you get home or when the children get home or after lunch, and 1 before bed. Clutter check, not just your kids, also yourself, okay? Make sure there's no clutter that you've left behind. You're the biggest example. All right, and now if you're working, you're going to think about these things and make your plans at work. You can even make your grocery list online to have the groceries ordered or delivered. So you can do this. You can balance your checkbook, you can pay your bills, you can do all of this at work on your lunch hour. Don't say you can't. I did it for many, many years. As you know, I was a payroll flybaby. a payroll. I wasn't a lion, but I'm so glad I am now. Living in our new strength, right? We're strong. You can do this. So no whining. Let's do this. And then when you get home, you're going to start a load of laundry. You're going to go through an inch of paper. You're going to start supper. You're going to do a quick clutter check. Then you're going to delegate, hopefully, the weekly home blessing hour item for Wednesday. It's going to be dusting, or you're going to do it, or you're going to save it for Saturday. Your call. And then the other thing you're going to do is do one of those 4 things in the bedroom, master bathroom, master closet. 1. All right, that's it for today. After dinner, we're all going to do our after dinner routine together and our before bed routine. Check your calendar in the morning and in the evening. Put things in there you need to know about. And that's it. I want you to have a beautiful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.